Oh, Bonny Portmore, I am sorry for to see the woeful destruction of your ornament tree. You stood on these shores for many's the long day, till the longboats of Antrim came to float you away. Oh, Bonny Portmore, you shine where you stand, and the more I think on you, the more I think along. But if I had you now as I had you before, the lords of old England could not purchase Portmore.
The meaning of true comes from the old Irish word for three people, truer, this mythological trio in ancient Ulster would compose and write poems and songs for the kings and the tribes, and they would recite epics for soldiers before they would go into battle.
The oak and the ash have all been cut down, and the wall